Hello, friends. Oh my gosh. Here for the birthday boy. About to get some drinks. Well, I'm not drinking, but yeah. All right, so we're heading to Culinary Dropout right now. They got some vegan curry there. I might try some, but I might not. I'm actually pretty full right now. Is this where we're going right here? Is this it? Got the homies chilling right there. Oh, there they are.
Hey, what's wrong?
We're waiting for a table?
Yeah, we're waiting for a table. I just didn't know where we were. What's up,
I had to get my camera. Ah.
26? 27?
That's it.
What's up, big dog?
What's up, Alex?
How you doing? Good, how are you?
They lost by 30.
All right, guys, so we're outside of Culinary Dropout right now. We're just waiting to get a table. It looks pretty packed to me. There's people just walking in and out every like 3 seconds, and they're gonna text my boy when we get a table. So when we get in there, I'll show you guys. You wanna be in the vlog? There you are, man.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Yep.
I'm Aiden.
Aiden.
Desert Vista, 2020.
What's your Instagram?
JHovatter14, JHOVATTER.
You get it, though.
Ryan Hutchins, 81. Got you guys. I'll plug you in the vlog. Uh-oh, we got another vlogger.
China number 1.
China number 1. There you go. It's America, baby. But all right, I'll let that one slide.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, I heard those ones.
All right, guys, I think this is what I'm getting. Spicy vegan curry. All right, guys, here's the vegan curry. She told me it was like a soup, and she wasn't lying. It's literally like a soup. But I already tasted it. It tastes pretty good. A little spicy. I'm gonna do a full taste test right now. I'm gonna hand over this camera. You need stable hands, all right? Real stable hands. Behind the frame.
You guys are in it. Yeah, get your
Behind the
chicken
out
out
of
of
there.
it.
Let me do like this.
That's cool. I like it.
That's fire.
I like
It tastes bomb. That's good. You're good, Mandy. I just wanted my first bite. Thank you.
Wait, I did it on Snapchat.
Yeah.
Snapchat's dead.
I feel great. Great.
Hey, we gotta go to the gym tomorrow.
I'll see you there.
He sounds 30 now. He sounds 30. Yeah.
I don't want anything. I don't want
I
nothing.
want that one.
Let's monkey bread.
All right, there you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Alex. Happy birthday, dear AJ. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it out. Blow it.
How was your food?
Oh, it was really yummy. Thank you for asking.
Oh, okay. Cool. How was your food?
10 out of 10 for sure.
10 out of 10. It wasn't even vegan. Don't lie.
I'm like 5 out of 10 because
There
it
we
wasn't
go.
vegan.
Aubrey?
I did it to AJ. It was disgusting. I'm a pig. I ate meat.
All right, so we just finished up at the Culinary Dropout, and now we're gonna go to an arcade bar. So as soon as we get inside the arcade bar, I will show you guys that. Never been there, but I heard it's really cool. There's a lot of games, so let's get in there.